Oh, hello.
This is Space Bear.
This is Space Bear.
Last time we made a song using bottles and cans. And a lot of you guys call us audio wizards. And to that, I say, Yub!
This time, we gonna make a song out of wood.
How do we do that? Fucking stick around, you dimbies. The first step is to get a stick. Stick.
Wow, what an important
A
step.
lot of people miss it. They also miss the fact that if something is related to a tree, it is called wood.
Step 2, your big microphone is a big hunger. Him needs a big food in the shape of a sound.
Step 3, put the sounds onto your computer and get organized. But wait, knock knock, who's there? It's the internet, motherfucker!
Step 4, distracted. This thing looks like a forte. Wait, it's called a forte, right? What does forte mean? What language is musical notation? Oh, it was invented by Isidore of Seville. Oh, Darian Demers! Whoa! Welcome aboard, buddy!
Hey, whoa!
Anyway, what was I doing? Oh yeah, where is Seville? Oh, it's the capital of Spain. Cool, so it's Spanish. Never mind, it's Italian. What does Seville look like? This place looks pretty nice. I would live there. There's something quite not right about some of them, though. Everything is connected.
Stop making a beat.
Step 6 is to find the tonal sounds. We used wood, so we ain't got a lot of doors, so we had to use a gun.
Step 7 is just to put the notes in anywhere you want. You can make a shape or not.
Step a million billion and 10. Time for hard work, and you should mix it.
That's a lot of steps! Stick.